Hello friends! Welcome to Library Facts. In today's digital world, information is everywhere, but finding the right and reliable information is a real challenge. To address this need, information literacy concepts were developed. Today, we will explore the ACRL model of information literacy in detail. Meaning of information literacy? Information literacy refers to the ability to recognize information needs and to locate, evaluate, use, and communicate information effectively. It helps individuals become independent learners and responsible users of information. ACRL stands for Association of College and Research Libraries. It is a division of the American Library Association. ACRL plays a vital role in promoting academic libraries and developing standards and frameworks that support teaching, learning, and research in higher education institutions. Earlier, information literacy was taught using fixed standards. However, due to rapid technological changes and digital information growth, ACRL introduced a new framework for information literacy in 2015. This framework focuses more on concepts, understanding, and critical thinking rather than rigid skill-based standards. The ACRL model is flexible, learner-centered, and conceptual in nature. It views information literacy as a continuous learning process. The ACRL model is based on 6 interconnected frames. Each frame represents a key concept of information literacy. Together, these frames help learners understand how information is created, shared, evaluated, and used within scholarly and real-world contexts. Frame 1. Authority is constructed and contextual. This frame explains that authority is not absolute. The credibility of information depends on context, discipline, and purpose. Students learn to question sources, evaluate author expertise, and understand that authority can vary across different fields and situations. Through this frame, learners develop the ability to distinguish between credible and unreliable sources. They understand that expertise is socially constructed and should be critically examined. This is especially important in an age of social media, misinformation, and unverified online content. Frame 2. Information creation as a process. This frame emphasizes that information is created through various processes. Books, journal articles, blogs, videos, and reports follow different creation methods. Understanding these processes helps learners assess the reliability, accuracy, and purpose of different information formats. By recognizing how information is produced, learners can judge its quality and relevance. Frame 3. Information has value. This frame highlights that information has economic, legal, social, and intellectual value. Issues like copyright, plagiarism, intellectual property, and citation ethics are included here. Through this frame, students learn to respect creators' rights and acknowledge sources properly. They become aware of open access, fair use, and ethical sharing of information. Frame 4. Research as inquiry. This frame views research as an ongoing process of asking questions, exploring ideas, and seeking answers. Research is not about finding one correct answer, but about developing better questions and deeper understanding through investigation and analysis. Frame 5. Scholarship as conversation. This frame explains that scholarship is a continuous conversation among researchers. Scholars respond to previous ideas, debate perspectives, and contribute new insights. Students are not just consumers of information, but emerging contributors to knowledge. Frame 6. Searching as strategic exploration. This frame describes information searching as a strategic and iterative process. Effective searching requires planning, using appropriate keywords, databases, and tools, and refining search strategies. Learners understand that no single search method is perfect. They must adapt strategies based on information needs. This frame builds confidence in navigating libraries, databases, and digital resources efficiently and effectively. The ACRL model promotes critical thinking, ethical awareness, and lifelong learning. It prepares students to face information overload, misinformation, and academic challenges. Friends, this was a detailed overview of the ACRL. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Stay connected with us for more informative videos on library and information science. Thank you.